Well, I want to thank Eric for this award in the tax section. It's such a great honor. I'm so sorry to not be there with you in person. I thought that I would take a few moments just to reflect on the events that have led to me getting this award, which I really accept on behalf, in a way, of the section and everybody who's been involved in pro bono work in tax. And it's deeply meaningful to me to receive an award named after Janet Spraggins. Janet and I worked together so early, so much 20 years ago, to bring about something that we never imagined would be a movement, namely pro bono in tax, organized around low-income taxpayer clinics and the VITA program. And who knew, after the enactment of the Restructuring and Reform Act of 1998, that you would have today, such a robust pro bono program, calendar call programs, low-income taxpayer clinics in almost every single state in the United States, giving out grants totaling $12 million for these programs, and then the number of attorney hours volunteering with the clinics and then doing VITA work. This is just a sign of the dedication of this section and the work that they do. And I do not think that the clinic program or my own work would be a success if it were not for the ethos of this section and the embrace of pro bono work. I think that it goes not just to the hours that everybody gives, but on the level of law, getting recognition of pro bono time as being compensated under attorney's fees under 7430, attorney fee awards. That's incredibly important, and it creates another source of funding, in-kind match for the clinics. And this is particularly important for the rural clinics that have a very difficult time raising actual hard cash to make their match and be awarded a grant. And then even going forward, just some of the groundbreaking law that volunteer attorneys have done for low-income taxpayers and taxpayer rights by working and dedicating and volunteering your time. Groundbreaking cases like Lance and others. And I'm just so deeply grateful to you all for grasping onto this idea that started as a little seed, 20 years ago, even longer than 20 years ago, but 20 years ago in 1997 and 98, when Janet and I approached the Restructuring Commission and the Ways and Means and Senate Finance Committees. And to see this blossom and see it embraced by the section is just the most humbling thing and the most gratifying thing. So I accept this award in recognition of all of your work. So thank you so much. I'm deeply gratified.